Good morning, Vietnam. What's going on, guys? We are on the way to the shop. We got a customer from Philly. He's got a turbo S2000. We are going to give it a once over. Apparently it's got a built motor with a 62, 66 on AEM. Sounds like a good combo. You know, we've done plenty of those, so I'm gonna get that checked out, give it the stamp of approval. Look at this raggedy ass Bass Pro hat on. This shouldn't even wear it. It's all crunchy. It's been like sitting in my other van for so long. Let's not wear that. So we're gonna get that S2000 checked out, give it the stamp of approval, and drive over and visit our buddy Ricardo at Full Throttle Performance. He has a Dyno 248 with the big roller. My dyno isn't done being installed yet, so we got to use other people's dyno and pay them money. But it is what it is. We got to get all the work finished at our shop so that we can get all the work finished at our shop so that we can reposition all of our stuff to get the dyno installed, so that we can stop paying people $500 a week for dyno rental and pay ourselves whatever. So we'll check back in with you when we get to the office, to the shop. Check out this S2000, meet this guy, put together a little video of what a typical day would be like in the life. I mean, that's it. That's all there is to say. I don't really know why my hair looks gray like that. Whatever. It's not gray though. It's light. So we made it to the shop. Got the handy dandy tool. This guy just traded his STI for this S2000 yesterday. So he was recommended to me to get the car tuned and looked over. So here we are. Check it out.
No, that's because there's no tires on it. But look, you see the cat that walked on the roof?
The cat that walked on the roof. What, today? Here?
And I'll see the fucking one over the front.
Yeah. Oh yeah, meow. Cats love carbon fiber. So they repainted this S2000. He traded his, oh my gosh. That's what you meant when you said the exhaust. Oh my God. What do we have here? All right. Well, it's got RPFs on it, which is good. It's on an AEM version 2. Running pump gas, supposedly built motor. He said, hey, it hits 21 pounds, 22 pounds. I was like, holy crap, turn the boost controller down. There is no boost controller. We're running just a line to manifold. She needs a filter. We're checking the plugs now. Upon further inspection, she has no oil in it. I mean, it's really, really low. So you can also look in here on the Hondas, the S2000s. You got to run a certain oil filter. You can't see it there, but on the S2000, you got to run the S2000 oil filter from Honda because it provides the proper amount of flow and high oil pressure that these engines operate at. So that being said, we got some work to do. What do you say? We got some work to do? Oh yeah. Yeah, we got some work to do. We'll figure it out. Back at you with some updates. Return line?
You got what I asked for. That's around 5 to 600.
Yeah. I mean, we can give it a little more if you want, but... So, we came over to Ricardo's shop to use his dyno. Our normal Tampa spot is... They weren't answering today, so... We got her on the dyno. About 22 pounds. We made what? Goal was 550. Came in swinging at 578. Not too bad, man. Kick ass. What do you think?
Some good power.
You just got this car when?
Yesterday.
Oh shit. So we got in the AEM and we did our own thing on it, you know what I mean? Oh, that was cool. We did oil change, new plugs, OEM Honda filter. The 62 at 22 pounds is screaming, dog. Like, woo, buddy. Ricky Bobby, ready to go. Hell yeah, man. Well, appreciate it.
Yeah.
You gotta send me some of those dyno videos because I was holding the fucking laptop the whole time. But yeah, man, that's all there is to it. Check you guys later. Like, subscribe, do whatever you want, all that promotional BS. Coming at you with another build here soon.